de nieve.
Un muñeco de nieve con un mao.
The highest, yes, the highest snowmen per capita. The highest snowmen per capita in the whole world. Who would have?
Snow fight, snowball fight. Oh, joder. Americano, aliado. Haga, eso. Esquías por la ciudad, que disfrutáis. Good form, buena forma. Perfecto. Oh! We got a team effort here. Shoveling the driveway with a rake and a little shovel. And garbage bins.
It's midday here, Saturday, January 9th. I was out this morning and we have reached levels of 50 centimeters of snow here. So I'm gonna do a little walk around, a little tour of Madrid, see what I can see, capture the scene, the ambiance, see if I can talk to some people, get their opinions. Everybody's out like it's a snow day, throwing snowballs. Oh my God, look at this. Woohoo! They made a little table with some beers. Incredible. This is something else. Hola, ¿cómo estáis? Bien, fiesta en la calle. This is awesome. The metros are still open, some, I believe. And, but the buses are not functioning. This is, guys, this is insane. Look at everybody's out walking the streets. There's no cars, of course. I don't know if cars, I don't know. I haven't seen any. I won't see any. Look at, this is full. This is incredible. Just a party in the middle of the streets. Wow. We got some cross-country skiers over there. Some snowshoers. I could use a stray Galicia right now. That would be nice. Hola. Feliz sábado. Everybody's happy, and even though this is like a weather emergency. Get this, it's Saturday and school classes for kids are already closed through Wednesday. Can you believe that? They already anticipated that it's going to be hard to remove this amount of snow in, you know, 3 or 4 days, so they already canceled school. Incredible. A winter wonderland, January. Hola. ¿Qué opináis de esta nieve? ¿Habéis visto algo así en su vida?
No,
¿Y os gusta?
Sí, pero nos gusta para un rato.
Okay.
El lunes esperemos ya que esto desaparezca.
Claro, pero ya cerraron las escuelas para lunes y martes y no sé cuándo cosas van a abrir.
Hay que disfrutar estos días.
Eso es. Yo voy a andar y hablar con los españoles para...
¿Estás aquí
estudiando?
Yo vivo aquí al lado. Yo vivo y yo trabajo en Fuenlabrada.
Ah, por eso, pero no eres de aquí. ¿Estás
No soy de aquí.
¿Con alguna beca o...?
Pero yo vine aquí para escapar este jaleo, este tipo de clima, pero ya estamos, ¿vale? Vale, adiós, madrileños. Ok. ¿Te gusta esta nieve, señor?
A mí sí me encanta.
Ok. Yo no he conocido un madrileño que no le gusta esta nieve aún. Los niños le gusta. All right, so these guys back there said they've never seen it. This guy likes it. They've never seen anything like it. I'm not going to translate everything subtitles wise because it's going to be a lot of work for this video, so I'm just going to translate it live. All right, let's go up here. I got a couple friends up this way. Let's see what they're up to. Here we go, guys. There's more damage, right? This is like a natural disaster. There's more damage from the snow, the weight of the snow. Look at this. Wow, this car is lucky it did not get damaged actually. This even tops snowstorms in the Midwest because it's just so unbelievable. I just can't believe this. This tops winter storms growing up. We have 2 snow days already, Monday and Tuesday, no school. All right, guys, I'm here with my friend Mark, my French friend and his girlfriend. Hola, Marc, Andrea, ¿cómo están?
Bien.
y el perrito que está súper feliz porque está viviendo en otro mundo. Ajá.
Le encanta.
Entonces, chicos, ¿qué opináis de la nieve aquí en Madrid?
Una locura.
¿Una locura?
Es
¿Tú,
una locura.
para ti, tu primera vez
Sí.
conociendo nieve así?
¿Así? Primera vez.
Yo he hablado con madrileños desde 40 años. Es la primera vez que
Claro.
he visto en
De
mi
hecho,
vida.
esto es un récord. Llegamos a 50 centímetros,
Sí,
así que
increíble.
estamos rompiendo récords. Entonces,
Es que esto solo lo he visto en los Alpes, en Francia.
sí, pero no estamos en las
Pero
montañas.
en una ciudad
Estamos...
tan bajo, está
No, para tener la combinación de temperaturas así y la precipitación es casi imposible. Entonces, pero yo no esperaría nada más de 2020, 2021. All right, let's go. Toda la gente han salido, es una fiesta en la calle.
Sí.
Hola.
Ay, no.
Hola. Hey, baby. Hey, yeah. He absolutely loves the snow.
It's crazy. Sí, uno no puede
Yeah.
circular con el coche y todo eso.
Mark says he's from an area close to the Alps in France, and even so, he hasn't seen this amount of snow before. So, and we're not in the mountains here. We're in a plateau where it almost never gets to freezing temperature. Yeah, a desert, basically, a steppe, a high plateau, meseta. And it's a party in the streets.
Hay que pensar que hacía 45 grados este verano, ¿eh?
Yeah, entonces llegamos a extremas. We reach extremes. Extremely hot in the summer, and now we have this.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's
This
crazy.
is fucking insane.
Yeah, and this is only Carabanchel. Imagine the center. Imagine the center of Madrid.
Bueno, le voy a dejar al perro porque como no hay coche.
No, there's no cars. Oh, yeah, he's happy. And that's his friend. Es su amigo. Él es muy amable. Your dog's very friendly.
He's very friendly. He likes to play.
The dogs are the dogs are basically the happiest they've ever been.
in your life.
Yeah,
Well, this is something. It's history. Eh?
yeah, history.
Something history.
I was so in shock that last night, ayer salimos al centro.
Asco, eh?
Hola. ¿Os gusta la nieve?
Sí.
Wow, increíble, ¿verdad? Ya tienes tobogán. Eso. We're in an alternate universe here. We are approaching the pine forest. And like I showed you this morning, look, even more damage has been done here. People are just scouring around. Somehow people have sleds. Hola, ¿os gusta la nieve? ¿Dónde conseguiste esto?
Llegando a la tienda.
Ah, ok, pero ya tenía. Sí. ¿Y dónde usas esto? Por ejemplo, si no está nevando, pero en general, tienes que ir a las montañas. Vale, adiós. I asked them where they got that sled in some store, but it's closed. And you have to usually sled in the mountains, but there's a sledding hill over there. Look at this. Se ve como un bosque en Bélgica de la Segunda Guerra Mundial.
Total. Ay,
It looks like a war zone.
no, los árboles.
Look at like a war.
A war zone. A battlefield. ¿Cómo se dice battlefield en español?
Campo de
Campo de batalla.
batalla.
Joder. Guys, in Madrid they buy Christmas trees, fake ones, but why buy a Christmas tree when you can just come to the pine forest?
Yeah.
Mark has a new Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Like I said, Christmas came late, and Bosco is super excited. Yeah. All right, let's go interview some more people. Las montañas es esto. Estáis pasando un tramo en las montañas. Me parece que estáis en Cercería. Sí. Ya, estamos en Carabanchel, la nueva montaña. Yeah. I said, where are you guys hiking? In the mountains? Are we in the new mountain zone in Carabanchel? Just look, everybody. This is just one little tiny area of Madrid. I guarantee the whole city is with people. And we have a cross-country skier here. Wow. I come to you from the Ardèche forest, battered by the artillery from the south, as the Germans and the Americans fiercely battle through the frigid winters. May the souls of all the soldiers that lost their lives in this brutal battle rest in peace. Hola chicos, ¿qué opináis de este jaleo aquí en Madrid? Con la nieve y este bosque con las ramas cayendo.
Me da mucha pena ver las ramas caídas.
Sí, porque este bosque ha estado aquí por muchos años, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Y ahora está...
Es una pena. A ver, es una estampa muy bonita de ver.
Pero...
por el blanco, los arbolitos todos nevados y tal, pero claro, tiene su lado positivo y su lado negativo.
Ajá, vale, sí.
Fíjate,
Cuando derrita no va a aparecer lo mismo, ¿ves?
Hombre, no. Es que es como una catástrofe verlo.
Bueno, a ver,
Sí,
luego
claro.
depende, luego la naturaleza también sabe mucho. Luego lo mismo se sube para arriba, lo que queda. Pero
no,
vamos.
pero lo que queda, pero los que se han partido ya y se ha trochado, es que fíjate que está plagadito.
Sí. Y hay que tener cuidado pisando por allí.
No, ahí es que es imposible.
No se puede.
Mejor no entrar.
No, es peligroso.
Porque se puede seguir cayendo. Que no.
Bueno chicos, feliz sábado y disfrutáis la nieve.
Igualmente.
All right, so they said that it's hard to see the beautiful forest breaking, the trees breaking, because this forest has been here for many years, and once the snow melts, it's not going to look the same. So yeah, let's go find some more people. Hola. Ah, un buen padre, muy valiente, fuerte. Said he's a brave father. He's strong. Hola. Yeah. I've never seen Madrileños so happy. Madrileños por Madrid. Let's go. I'm on Avenida de la Peseta. This is the Peseta Avenida, the avenue, right? This is usually packed with cars. This is a pretty busy street. There's an airport nearby. Leganés is that way. The center of Madrid is that way, and it's a weird scene here, but very cool. ¿Qué piensas de este jaleo aquí en Madrid? Filomena, ¿qué piensas?
¿Y qué pienso?
De este temporal, Filomena.
Que no estamos preparados para la nieve aquí.
No estamos preparados.
No.
De hecho, han cancelado clases escolares hacia miércoles.
Claro.
Entonces, ¿nunca has visto algo así en tu vida?
Hace muchos años, pero
En Madrid.
En Madrid tanta nieve no, hielo, pero
Okay,
nieve no.
vale. Buen día.
Chao, igualmente.
He said, we're definitely not prepared for this. I said, yeah, of course. You know, they already canceled school through Wednesday because we're not prepared. We don't have the equipment. He hasn't seen anything like this in Madrid. He's seen an ice storm before, but not quite the same. Interesting. I like to ask people who appear to be a little older because, you know, they have a lot of history to reflect on, many years. Chicos, ¿qué tenemos aquí, chavales? A mí me gusta.
¿Te gusta? Un muñeco de nieve.
Un muñeco de nieve con un mao.
Claro.
Y, wow, un botellín. Hacemos una fiesta en la calle, ¿eh?
Claro.
O sea, ¿qué opináis de este jaleo pasando aquí en Madrid? ¿Os gusta? ¿Hayas visto algo así
No lo hemos visto nunca nosotros.
Nunca.
Así nunca.
Entonces...
De pequeños ha nevado aquí, pero de pequeños muy poquito.
Sí.
Ahora demasiado, ahora mucho.
Ajá.
En años.
Madre mía. Entonces Madrid está jodido, ¿eh?
Sí, Madrid. Estamos
¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Qué vamos a hacer?
Muñecos de nieve.
Ah, ok, eso es.
Muñeco de nieve, guerra de bolas.
Ok. Y tomamos Estrella de Galicia y Mao.
Claro.
Hostia, adiós. Again, the same sentiment. They're like, I've never seen this. Even when we were little, there was some snow, but I'm like, what are you guys gonna do? They're like, make some snowmen, drink some beer. Oh, funny. They had the snowman with the beer bottle there. Funny guys. Hola. All right, guys, I found the first car here. First car I've seen all morning, and looks like they're putting like chains on their wheels. Poor girl. Not a good idea. We got some skiers here. Hola chicos, ¿dónde estáis esquiando? ¿Dónde?
Ahí abajo, bajando para Isla Azul.
Por Isla Azul.
Sí.
Joder, me gusta.
Ahí abajo.
Pero normalmente vais a Guadarrama, Naval Cerrada.
Andorra.
Andorra. Sí. Joder, buenas montañas en los Pirineos.
Claro.
Adiós. I said, where are they skiing? They said by the Isla Azul Mall. And look at this guy, he's having a great time. And I said, well, where do you ski if there's not a snowstorm in Madrid? They said the country of Andorra, which is another country in northern Spain by the Pyrenees Mountains there. Here we're approaching the metro. I think the metro's open. Let's go find out. Hola, señor. Gracias por trabajar por este jaleo. I said, thanks for working through this craziness. The metro is open. Let's go to a new neighborhood, folks. Join me. Dirías que la nieve aquí es muy cojonuda.
Lo es.
All right, guys. I've made it to Legazpi, home of the Matadero. Here we have Legazpi, where you would definitely see more cars. Look, we got a car that's stuck here. This is another busy intersection, Legazpi, but this person's stuck, I think. Oof. Or maybe they're waiting. I think they're stuck. You could just walk in the intersection. This is crazy. Hola. ¿Ustedes han visto algo así en Madrid antes?
No,
Nunca.
No somos de Madrid.
Ok, no sois de Madrid.
somos del sur, de Cádiz, pero vivimos
De Cádiz. Ah, entonces eso es más raro para ustedes. Joder, qué cojonuda. So they're from southern Spain, so of course they live on the ocean in Cádiz. They definitely wouldn't see that. So this is Paseo de las Delicias. That's what we can find here. This is normally a busy street. Let's check it out. Woohoo! Legazpi, Matadero's over there. Hola chicos, hay buenas olas para sufrir con este.
Estamos buscando la playa.
¿La playa? Joder.
No, Madrid Río.
Madrid Río, está ahí. Está ahí.
¿Y hay olas o no?
Sí, hay olas grandes, como en Santander.
Vale.
Vale, adiós. I said, where's the waves, guys? A boogie board. He says, I don't know, we're looking for the beach and the waves. I said, they're down by the river. Go check it out, there's big waves. Wow, so this street would go all the way to the center. Maybe I should just keep walking and see what I can find. Interesting, this is a different part of Madrid. You can see the architecture has changed a little bit. Hostia!
¡Vámonos!
Hostia! We got a mile there. Look at this. Right in the middle of the street, you guys. This is crazy. This is actually one of the biggest snowmen I've ever seen. ¿Cómo? ¡Qué locura! ¡Qué jaleo! ¡Qué cojonuda! ¡Me gusta! ¡Joder!
Oh my God.
Sí. Ahí cervecería está abierto. Todo bien. Todo bien en Madrid. Madre mía. Buena foto, señores, chavales. Adiós. Crazy times, guys. The streets here are turning to slush, ice, and actually it's gonna get colder tonight and the next few days, so this is gonna be frozen. I mean, I really don't know how they're gonna get all this off. It's gonna take days for it to melt because surprisingly, we're not getting well above freezing like Madrid is in the winter, you know? It's usually 5-10 Celsius, plenty. Look at this, look at this. Vaya, 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 eso es. That's the first. I've never seen a sled like that. Yeah, Paseo de las Delicias. You guys, Madrid, Spain has the highest, yes, the highest snowmen per capita. The highest snowmen per capita in the whole world. Who would have thought? I've seen at least 30 to 40 snowmen and counting. And yeah, Mau Beers, this girl, yeah, she's representing Mau Beer. ¿Dónde está la Estrella Galicia? Joder. Aquí ella tiene. Y Maestro, Cruz Campo, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde está?
If you want, I can tell you all the beers that we have it already.
All right.
Let's start.
Ella habla bien inglés. Vamos a ver. All right,
Okay,
let's tell me the Spanish beers. The Spanish
Okay,
beers.
Spanish beers from the north. It's gonna be Estrella Galicia, Estrella Da, then it's gonna be Turia from Zaragoza, then it's gonna be Mediterráneamente Estrella Da. No.
Alhambra.
Alhambra
No.
en Granada.
Ella Andalucía.
Andalucía.
Exactly.
Joder.
And then it's gonna be Cruzcampo, más cervezas de España.
Boldam de Barcelona.
Boldam.
Madre
Boldam de
mía,
Barcelona.
a mí me gusta. ¿Cómo te llamas?
La Virgen Pura también de Madrid. Sí,
¿La Virgen Pura?
Pura.
Muchos
I'm
arte.
Joana.
Joana?
Velázquez.
¿De dónde eres? Madrid.
I was born in Ecuador, but I grew up here.
Ah,
in
ok,
Madrid.
eres ecuatoriana madrileña.
Exactly.
Eso es. Entonces, have
And
you,
you? Where are you from?
Wisconsin, United States.
Oh, really?
My question, I've been asking people from here,
Déjame meterlo.
have you guys seen this type of snow in Madrid?
Never. In my whole life. I have been here since I was 5.
Right.
And I never seen this kind of snowing.
People are just out in the streets, just partying.
This is the center of Madrid.
Yeah,
okay?
this is crazy.
The truly center of Madrid.
Yeah.
But in the morning it was even crazier because it was full of people and you could see people here doing snowboard.
Yeah, snowboarding
crazy.
because it's
Yeah.
kind of a hill.
Yeah.
Wow, you're the first person I met that's been speaking great English like this. So
Really?
you have
Oh,
good
thank
English.
you.
Yeah.
I lived in London for 2 years.
You lived
that's
in
why.
London, yeah. A lot of people go there to work.
And what are you doing here?
I work in Fuenlabrada in a school, helping teach English, and
Oh, really?
we don't have classes today, so yeah.
No worries. Tomorrow you won't have.
No.
And never.
And Monday?
I think around Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. We have school Wednesday, but entonces tú tienes vacaciones, no hay clases por 2 días, lunes y martes. Madre mía. Okay, chicas.
Enjoy Madrid.
Adiós.
Adiós.
All right.
Guys.
We have a bloody snowman. Wow. Like I said, Madrid, Spain, the #1 place to find snowmen in the whole world. Right here. In fact, there's another one up here. Let's check it out. The greatest snowman city in the whole world. Look at this street. All the branches have fallen there. I wonder how much damage will be done when it's all said and done here. Oh, I'm heading towards Atocha, the main station. You've seen it in other videos. Here in the center of Madrid. Walking right down the middle of the street. Another stuck car here. We got some more snowmen here. Do you want to build a snowman? Then you gotta come to Madrid. Let's see, we got a guy stuck here, but this, oh, he's got chains on. That's why, the EMT. They got chains on there. ¿Cuántos centímetros hay?
Pues ya un poco tarde.
¿Qué crees? Como 50, poco menos.
Habrá 50, sí, fácil.
Madre mía. Sin precedentes. Pero os gusta, ten cuidado manejando. Adiós. We got an epic snow fight here. Pelea! Pelea! Snow fight! Snowball fight! Oh, joder! Todo bien. Gringo! Gringo! No! Check this out. ¿Quién es el enemigo? Ahí.
Ahí está el enemigo.
Jesus. This is a crazy battlefield here of snowballs. I gotta take cover. Adios. Americano, aliado. Joder. Ya casi me mataron, pero sobreviví. That was a cool little party. We are nearing Atocha, and Mr. Snowman here in the middle of the street. Hay más muñecos de nieve que he visto en mi vida. Es lo mejor que he visto todo el día.
Además es bien gordo.
Madre mía. Y tiene un hijo. It's the best one I've seen. Oh, there's another one. Finally, we got some police coming through here. Maybe they're gonna send people home. We'll see. Jesus. So we're coming up to Atocha here. Hola. We're coming up. We got some hikers there. We're coming up to Atocha and all the museums. Prado, Reina Sofia. It's been quite the day, folks. All right, here's Atocha train station. And as you can see, we still have people just walking around freely in the middle of the street in one of the busiest intersections in all of Madrid. Crazy. People taking pictures. There's the agricultural ministry building. So dead center Madrid is this way. Maybe I should keep going. Adios. I met a nice girl from Romania. Many Romanians. All right, we got some bike racers here. Aga, eso. These guys are racing. Hola, buena excursión. I'm in Tirso Melina. Gracias por poner sal. This is almost in the center here, near Sol. All the snowed in motorcycles and mopeds here. Spanish flag. Do you guys like this?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
I'm from Ireland, so that would be yes.
Wait, where you can walk around in Dublin in the streets and everything's closed and it's completely crazy?
No, actually, we would have the streets salted the night before.
Exactly. You have the infrastructure to take care of snow, but here in Madrid, no. So
Yeah.
crazy times.
No, never seen it like this.
Oh, we got some damage up here. Let's check it out. And this is what we're dealing with. We're dealing with fallen trees here, damaging cars. We got one up here. Look at this tree fell. Wow. This is happening all over the city, these trees here. They can't handle the weight of the snow. Chicos, ¿les gusta la nieve?
Muy fino, muy bueno.
Es muy fino. ¿Estás trabajando, tío?
Hoy no hay pedido para
Ok, yo iba a decir que tú mereces propinas.
Ya, gracias.
Sí, these delivery guys are working all the time, night and day. They're awesome. They're running the city.
Full food today for everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, all right, guys. So, ¿han visto nieve así en la vida? No. Nunca. Madre mía.
Everybody happy. All
Yeah.
family happy.
Everyone's happy. It should snow. Debe nevar más en Madrid porque la gente se pone feliz.
Yo vivo en Madrid.
Ok, sí, tú eres de acá, vale.
Es mi tercera vez viendo nieve.
Ah, wow, impresionante. Ok, adiós chicos, adiós panas, mi gente. First time they've seen snow like this, even though that boy said he's seen it snow 3 times here. You like it?
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, where are you from?
From Italy, but we live here in Madrid.
Ok, italianos viviendo aquí en Madrid. Mamma mía, madre mía. Adiós. Yo necesito un cappuccino, un café americano. All right, so we're getting up here, closer to Puerta del Sol. Let's go check it out. Esquías por la ciudad, que disfrutáis. Yeah. Wow, yo no puedo creer. Chicas, ¿qué opináis de este jaleo en el centro de Madrid? ¿Os gusta?
Hombre, por supuesto.
Por supuesto, nunca ha pasado, entonces dirías que estamos viviendo historia, ¿verdad?
Sí, efectivamente.
And more action here in the center. Wow, this is gonna be a long video, a very long video, but I think everyone's gonna like it. Vamos por Puerta del Sol. Vamos. A fellow American here.
Right on, bro.
What do you think about this craziness here in Madrid? It's
Wild, man. I feel like
I
I'm
mean-
back in Indiana.
You're from Indiana, I'm from Wisconsin. We get the snow all the time, but it's not the same shit.
It's not the same.
This is crazier because everything's closed, people are out.
Everything's closed.
It's amazing.
People don't know how to drive in this.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Did you go to school in Bloomington?
I did actually.
Oh, dude, I'm a Wisconsin Badger fan.
Man,
That was a tough
you
game.
big Bucky guy?
Yeah, but I mean, I like Indiana. You guys beat us in football this year, so.
Right on, bro. Yeah.
All right, man. See you later.
English, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You only speak Spanish, and then every once in a while you meet one of your buddies from back home, and you can speak your native tongue. All right, man. See you later. Enjoy those beers. Hola, chavales. Gracias por trabajar.
Muchas gracias.
All right, you guys. This is Puerta Sol. What a scene. What a scene. ¿Para dónde esquías?
Por todo Madrid.
Todo Madrid. Madrileños en Madrid disfrutando las esquías. Qué guay. Muy cojonuda. Me gusta mucho. Ten cuidado. A ver. Good form. Buena forma. Perfecto. Oh God, this is hilarious. This is just hilarious. All right, Gran Via is that way. Maybe I should go that way. What do you guys think? Should we go check out Gran Via? Let's go. This is Gran Via. Iconic Gran Via. Everybody's out taking advantage. Just walking right in the middle of another busy street. What a scene. All right, we got the Mrs. Baseball girl here. Baseballista. Oh, buen hecho, buen hecho. Ya casi. Yo te doy un 10. Yo te doy 10. Saludos. Saludos.
Venezuela.
Que viva Venezuela, mis pana, mi gente. Que vaya Maduro. Adiós, chicos. All right, guys. Pretty tired. I'm gonna head home, but I think I got enough content there and talking to some people and got good feedback. So that was a winter storm celebration here in Madrid with lots of snowmen. Adventure Elliot. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.